Hey, digital marketers, content creators, business owners, ever wonder how video can propel your brand story into the spotlight? Let's get to it. In a world where content is king, video reigns supreme. Why? Because it's engaging, personal, and packs a punch. Video is more than just images and sound. It's emotion in motion. It connects, resonates, and leaves a lasting impression. Oh, so you got a complex message? Well, that's not a problem. Video breaks it down, making it simple for your audience to understand and remember. And don't just tell your audience, show them. Real results come to life with video testimonials and success stories. With just one click, you can share your video across the web and social platforms, expanding your reach exponentially. And let's not forget about SEO. Videos improve your rankings so you can get seen more often by those who matter most to your business. This will get you to embrace the video movement. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.